Guys, ito na yung finished product. Ayan, guys. Let's eat! Ayan. Gahanda na kami ng ano. Kakain na kami, guys. Hey guys! What's up? Welcome to my channel, Samira Youssef. And for today's vlog, we're gonna cook anong tawag doon? Sinigang. Sinigang guys na sinigang na bangus. Tama ba? Yung sinigang guys, yung may mga gulay-gulay. Parang nalito pa ako sa aking lulutuin Guys, yung bangus na may mga gulay-gulay. I think it's sinigang. Sinigang 'yon. Hindi naman pakso, no? Sinigang. Tama guys, sinigang. And papakita ko sa inyo guys yung aking mga ilalahok, yung mga ingredients ko. Ayan. And by the way guys, if you're new to my channel, if you're first time here, just click the red button in there and hit the notification bell so that you're the first one to know when I upload anything new. Thank you guys. Here's the ingredients of our sinigang na bangus. Ayan guys, this is our bangus. Ayan, our fish. And then ito yung ating radish and string beans. Ito, sibuyas at saka tomato. We have eggplant. Ayan, mahal guys ang kilo na eggplant. Ayan, eggplant. And then okra guys. Okra. Ayan. Ayan guys, meron pa tayong ano nga to? Kangkong. Kangkong guys. Ayan, nakalimutan ko pa eh. Ayan. Ayan guys, and let's start cooking. Ayan guys, magpapakulo tayo ng tubig, and since kukulo na siya, lalagay na natin itong, ayan guys, ilalagay natin ang tomato. And then next is garlic. Ay, onions. Sibuyas guys. Putek kung may English. Ay. Ayan.
Close muna.
Tapos ika-close na natin muna. Hintayin natin kumulo. Ayan guys, kumukulo na. So, ating kumukulo na. So, ang next natin ilalagay ay lagay natin sunod ay isda guys. Ayan guys. Ayan, lagay na natin itong ating milk fish. Ayan guys. Nilagay na natin lahat ng isda. Taklaban ulit natin guys. Taklaban ulit natin.
Lahat ka na ta?
Then, lagyan na natin guys ng magic sarap. Pakita mo. Baba ka ng konti para nila. Yan. Okay. Yan. Magic sarap. Guys, lalagyan na natin yung string beans at saka yung radish. Yan. Guys, ilalagay na ang okra. Okay, okra guys, ilalagay na. Yan. Guys, ilalagay na natin ang talong. Okay, eggplant. Yan. Okay guys, ilalagay na natin ang yan guys, nor sinigang sampalok. Ayan guys, ilalagay na natin ang kangkong. Kangkong.
Last.
Yan yung last ingredients natin ilalagay. Then, tapos na.
Okay.
We just cook this for, 2 to 3 minutes,
Ayun ako kasi.
I think. Tapos, luto na siya. Hintay lang natin kumulo ulit. Tapos, yun na. We're done cooking. Guys, ito na yung finished product. Ayan, guys. Let's eat! Ayan. Gahanda na kami ng Kakain na kami, guys. Ayan, guys. Let's eat. Luto na yung ating, ang ating hapunan. Ayan, guys. We have rice, vegetable, fish. Ayan, guys. Thank you, guys, for watching. Ayan, guys. Thank you, guys. Thank you for watching. God bless.
This ain't over.